Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. So this is going to be the love reading for you for the month of July. We are going to get started by tapping onto your energy right now. Let's get started. This is your energy, Capricorn. Six of Cups. You're feeling like youthful. Yeah, you have this childlike energy now. It seems like, some of you literally visited your, hometown recently. Probably you have been away from there for probably a couple of years, or maybe a few months, or maybe a few weeks. But no matter what, you recently visited, or maybe you just saw in over the internet in some video or something, or maybe you met your childhood friends, or maybe you met your childhood sweetheart. All right, so that could be the significant person in your mind. But whatever it is, or maybe even if you did not have any of this, you are feeling very much youthful from inside for some of you, and you are tapping onto that inner child of yours once all over again. Wow. Wow, and the Emperor is here. So it seems like, yeah, I can sense the carefree kind of energy over here. Very, light, very fulfilling, very yeah, you are very much content in this energy which you are in, and you are feeling like your own boss. You are feeling like the emperor. This might literally mean you holding that significant position which you got recently, or maybe this might simply mean that now energetically you are feeling like the children, the way they own their freedom. They We adults cannot do that. So you are, yeah, you are very much owning your freedom. And yeah, it seems like you are kind of unstoppable right now. You are all in your power, and you are not someone who will listen to anybody, because you know that your own conscience is your best leader. All right, so yeah, you have been able to achieve that after having gone through certain tower moment which someone gave you probably. But now you are all hopeful, and you are ready for that rejuvenation. Okay, you want to live your life with this newfound energy. New beginning is what all these cards are screaming. Okay, look at the baby in this card, and then Six of Cups also, it relates to the childhood memories. All right, so yeah, the energies that the children have, which both of which is indicative of some sort of new beginning. So yeah, it seems like certain new things have happened. Probably some of you have relocated, or maybe you have found a new position in the same company. Maybe you found a new job altogether. Maybe you have someone around you whom you are feeling quite attracted towards, and who really gives you this motivation to live life once again, is what I'm sensing. All right, or maybe somebody really yeah, put you through some uncomfortable situation in this love connection which you had with this individual. And probably after getting rid of this person, you realized just how toxic that situation was. And after the removal of this romantic dynamic from your life, all of a sudden how good you feel, and just how much ready you are for whatever the life has to offer next. Wow, it's a fantastic energy to be in, Capricorn. So I'm going to ask two questions now, because I'm not sure whether all of you would want this individual who had hurt you in the past, who gave you this tower moment, back or not. So yeah, for some of you who want this individual back, I'm going to ask whether this person is coming back or not. How are they feeling towards you basically right now? So let's ask that first. So if there is someone in your mind, how does this person feel towards you? How does this person feel towards you? Whoever is in your mind. This person feels like you're closed off, you have left them and you have walked away. But then this person now feels like, the couple that we made was so beautiful. We were so compatible, I was happy and fulfilled. They are basically thinking about that starting phase of this love connection which you two had in the past. Okay, yeah, they are thinking now, they are thinking of probably the new opportunity which will be able to, which will help this individual to reconcile and get back to you. all right, and they want that 10 of cups with you. It means you know, now this person understands that you know you two are just meant to be, and it was stupidity on their part to give that tower moment to you. Probably they said something or did something, probably you know there was some sort of third party involvement, maybe not a serious one, but then you know you are not someone who will compromise with any kind of you know mm, act of infidelity. All right, so you just walked away from this person, and this person now realizes that, and this person feels like you know it was so stupid of them to want to be free for a second, which cost them this beautiful love connection which they had with you, which could give them you know all sort of you know emotional fulfillment, like this 10 of cups. All right, so this person definitely wants to come back towards you. All right, so for those of you who do not want this person back and you are like, yuck, I don't want this person anymore, I'd like to ask these spirit guides, is there any prospect of new love in the life of my Capricorn? Definitely there should be, but we are going to explore what kind of person. All right, so the prospect of new love for my Capricorn friends in the near future, somebody who will find you over online is what I'm getting. Otherwise it might also mean like in your workplace, you know, a new colleague is there, or maybe you know the old colleague whom you knew, you know, looks at you from window and then finds you very attractive. They then start you know focusing on you more and more and more, and then they start getting attracted to you. Or this might literally mean somebody who finds you over social media, bumps over your picture, and then you know they find you very much beautiful, attractive, charming. They like your smile, they like your eyes, you know, or they might be you know drawn by your hair or something like that, and then yeah, they would want to text a message to you or something. Yeah, definitely, you know, visual effect. All right, so you'll be like eye candy for this individual, whoever this future love, whoever is going to come along your way, will be first greatly mesmerized, you know, will be enslaved by your beauty. They are going to find you so attractive. Maybe you know you might think that, oh, there's nothing so special in me, but then you know for this person you'll be like the goddess of beauty or god of beauty. Wow, Apollo is what I'm hearing. If you are a gentleman who's watching this, you might have nice abs, okay? But with the Nine of Swords, this person will have certain baggage from the past, and they'll feel like, you know, such a beauty that you are. Could be flighty, so this person would be hesitant to approach you at the beginning because you'll make them very nervous. They'll have sleepless nights, all right, and yeah, they'll feel quite intimidated because they would like worship you like a goddess, okay? And the 10 of wands is also here, so it 10 of wands simply is telling of the past hurt, you know, past trauma, the baggage of which they are still carrying, and hence it is very difficult for them to come and express their love. So yeah, you might have to allow some time for this new person, whoever will you know approach towards you. You might have to allow some time for this person to heal, and then only you might be able to carry on with this relationship if you want. All right, so what is the advice for my Capricorn friends? What is the advice for my Capricorn friends? Do not tell anything to anyone, just remain by yourself, keep all your secrets within. Yeah, and also don't remain confused, you know, let everything unfold, you know, in front of you, in divine timing, okay? It will just happen. So with the Page of Wands, yeah, you will get some sort of, yeah, you don't have to worry about what is it that you are supposed to do, because at the time when you're supposed to take action, you'll just you know have this spiritual download. Basically, you know, the wand over here means something that sprouts, right? So yeah, that inner knowing will automatically sprout, or it will you know automatically come to you intuitively. What is it that you are supposed to do next? When the person is right for you, you'll know it intuitively, is basically what it is. Yeah, and the King of Wands, wow, remain in your power, you know, you are very much attractive. Yeah, in your energy, Queen of Wands that comes. So yeah, definitely your soulmate, somebody who is your vibrational match. If you are someone who's very beautiful who's watching this, then you know somebody as much sexy is going to approach you, okay? So if you are a lady, if you are a gentleman, if you are very handsome, you know, cool dude, then definitely then that goddess, you know, of beauty will definitely approach you. looking at whom your friends are going to get jealous. So definitely I can see some sort of soulmate energy approaching you in the near future. All right, so yeah, everything looks all well and good. So it's very interesting. Expect somebody new to approach, but also expect this past person to come, because they are really really, they are now thinking marriage with you. All right, so that is the message for you. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until the time I see you again, I love you so much, Capricorn. Bye.